Most soundbars promise Dolby Atmos immersion, but very few actually deliver real cinematic surround sound. Many systems claim Atmos support, but still push most of the audio from the front of your TV. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best 11.1.4 Dolby Atmos soundbars of 2026, so you know exactly which systems create a true surround sound experience and which ones are worth your money. Before we start, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone upgrading their home theater this year. All the soundbars mentioned are attached with the products in this video. Number 5. Samsung HW-Q990C. At number 5, we start with the Samsung HW-Q990C, a soundbar system that helped redefine what modern Dolby Atmos soundbars can deliver in a home theater. This system uses a full 11.1.4 channel configuration, meaning it includes multiple front speakers, side speakers, rear speakers, and dedicated height drivers designed to create a three-dimensional surround sound environment. Unlike many soundbars that rely heavily on digital surround processing, the Q990C includes wireless rear speakers and a powerful subwoofer, which means surround effects actually come from behind the listener rather than being simulated from the front. This dramatically improves immersion when watching movies or playing games, because sound can move naturally around the room. The system also includes upward-firing drivers that bounce sound off the ceiling to create overhead audio effects. When watching Dolby Atmos content, sounds like helicopters, rain, or flying objects can feel like they move above the listener instead of simply around the room. Another advantage of the Q990C is its wide soundstage. Instead of concentrating sound in front of the TV, the sound spreads across the entire room, making movie scenes feel much larger and more cinematic. Combined with its strong bass performance and balanced tuning, the Q990C delivers a surround sound experience that feels far more immersive than traditional soundbars. For users who want true surround sound without installing a complicated speaker system, the Samsung HW-Q990C remains one of the most reliable Dolby Atmos soundbars available. Number 4. Samsung HW-Q990D. At number 4, we have the Samsung HW-Q990D, a refined version of the previous model that improves both sound clarity and surround performance. Like its predecessor, this system features a full 11.1.4 channel configuration with a main soundbar, wireless subwoofer, and dedicated rear speakers. One of the biggest improvements in the Q990D is how it handles complex audio scenes. Modern movies often combine dialogue, music, and multiple sound effects at the same time. The Q990D keeps these elements separated, so dialogue remains clear even during intense action scenes. The height effects also feel more convincing thanks to improved upward-firing drivers. When Dolby Atmos content is played, sounds travel smoothly from the front of the room to the back and above the listener, creating a more believable sense of movement. Bass performance is also stronger compared with previous models. The subwoofer delivers deeper low frequencies that add weight to cinematic soundtracks while remaining controlled enough to avoid muddying dialogue. Because of its balanced tuning, powerful surround performance, and easy installation, the HW-Q990D has become one of the most recommended Dolby Atmos soundbars for people who want a complete home theater experience without using a traditional AV receiver. Number 3. Samsung HW-Q990F. At number 3, we have the Samsung HW-Q990F, the latest evolution of Samsung's flagship Dolby Atmos soundbar lineup. This system maintains the 11.1.4 channel design, but introduces improved drivers, better sound tuning, and a redesigned subwoofer that enhances bass performance. One of the most noticeable improvements in the Q990F is its spatial accuracy. Instead of projecting sound mainly from the front, the system creates a full surround sound environment that spreads evenly across the room. Movie scenes feel larger, and sound effects move more naturally between different parts of the space. The upgraded subwoofer produces deeper and more controlled bass that adds realism to action scenes and cinematic music. Dialogue clarity has also improved, making it easier to hear voices even during loud moments. Another feature that makes the Q990F stand out is its room optimization technology, which analyzes the acoustics of your room and automatically adjusts the sound profile to match the environment. This ensures the system performs well even in rooms with challenging layouts. With powerful bass, wide soundstage, and refined Atmos performance, the Samsung Q990F continues to push the limits of what soundbars can achieve in a home theater setup. Number 2. Nakamichi Dragon. At number 2, we have one of the most powerful soundbar systems ever created, the Nakamichi Dragon. Unlike most soundbars that aim to stay compact, the Dragon focuses entirely on delivering a massive cinematic sound experience. The system is built around a large multi-speaker configuration designed to create a huge three-dimensional surround sound environment. It includes multiple surround speakers and powerful subwoofers that work together to fill the room with sound. One of the most impressive aspects of this system is its bass performance. The Dragon uses dual subwoofers capable of producing extremely deep and powerful low frequencies. Explosions in movies feel intense, music gains dramatic impact, and the overall sound environment becomes much more cinematic. Another major strength is surround precision. Instead of simply spreading sound around the room, the system creates a highly detailed surround field where effects move smoothly from front to back and above the listener. For people who want extreme power and cinema-level surround sound, the Nakamichi Dragon delivers one of the most impressive audio experiences currently available in a soundbar format. Number 1. Samsung Q990F. Best overall. Taking the number 1 position is the Samsung Q990F, widely considered one of the most complete Dolby Atmos soundbar systems available in 2026. Samsung has refined this series over several generations, and the Q990F represents the most advanced version of its flagship home theater soundbar. The system features a full 11.1.4 channel configuration, which includes multiple front, side, rear, and height speakers working together to create a fully immersive surround sound environment. Dedicated rear speakers with upward-firing drivers dramatically improve the realism of Dolby Atmos effects. One of the most impressive qualities of the Q990F is its surround balance. Sound doesn't feel concentrated in one direction. Instead, the system creates a large audio bubble that surrounds the listener from every side. The wireless subwoofer also plays a major role in the system's performance. It delivers deep, powerful bass that adds weight and intensity to movie scenes while keeping dialogue clear. Combined with advanced room calibration and powerful surround performance, the Q990F offers one of the most immersive home theater experiences currently possible without installing a full speaker system. Mega final conclusion. Choosing the right Dolby Atmos soundbar in 2026 depends on what type of home theater experience you want to create. Some systems focus on simplicity and balanced sound, while others prioritize extreme power and cinematic immersion. For users who want a balanced and reliable Atmos experience, the Samsung Q990 series remains one of the best choices available. These systems combine strong surround performance, powerful bass, and advanced room calibration. For users who want maximum power and dramatic bass, the Nakamichi Dragon offers one of the most intense soundbar-based home theater experiences available. Ultimately, the best system is the one that fits your room size, listening habits, and budget. When chosen correctly, a Dolby Atmos soundbar can completely transform movie nights, gaming sessions, and music listening into a far more immersive experience.